birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Stanazam. Yo, ukumbulile. Anyway, how's Durban?
Babe, if there any sharp, I cannot complain. Although I miss you a lot, and I hope there is nobody that wants a peace day, or else I'll kill somebody.
Never. Trust me. I miss you too, Stanazam. What are you doing there?
Nothing much. Just chilling and missing you, thinking about you.
Gena.
Is everything okay?
John Stanazam. So, pindu phone.
Every birthday lollipop.
Hi.
Okay.
Ukumbulile.
Obviously,
Thanks.
yeah, I'm gonna get something.
Le wine. Uyikhumbula kanjani manje ayitshela?
Obviously, it's really there's something in
Thank you. That's sweet. So, anything to drink?
Nah, for now, no, girl. I'm gonna get sharp one. Maybe later.
Okay.
So, Kindle. Wow.
How's everything?
Tumanate. And then, man. Ish. I'm really sorry to read last time. Kabi Vamanaka gave one or no sort of sharp one. And then there's a little conversation. Sanzugorata. A lot.
John, my lollipop. And as continuous, and you call that again. I have someone. Even though I'm slightly up, but yeah, the norm to end. When I unomfazi wakho so ufuna siyenze kanjani akela?
Gave you so like nale lumside yaka lutsarna complicated one. So ke monyetse just because nalo pregnant ka ngwanaka asorne ke morata. Why to cancel my number one flop on nalo narbitile ke distance.
So umchate because I'm pregnant.
So what long karaba or byang or sanzu morata boyfriend dam.
Sorry.
Okay, never mind. Bon, so when I get some
Okay, that's fine. Well, actually. Hello, Putty.
Morris. So let's get someone.
Suzakulo.
Yeah, hopefully.
Izulu gosi.
Hayi kwantombi. Ekseni wona ba.
Ndithina mntwana mntwana bethu. Iweather yavuma kuyatshisa phandle. Asoze utho duba yiwind.
Mama. Hey, mama khawuthi kubana mfana abela bendlini izolo. Yagijonga sana indlela benengononca ngayo. Hayi bimangale
Umfana.
Hayi.
Hayi ntombi kaloyo nto ngakho ngubhuti lwakho. Okay. Ngubhuti andifunda naye kudala into zasesikolweni so. Chomi yamji.
Thomi yakhe kudala.
Yeah,
That's all.
That's all.
Hayi bo mama. Hey. I wonder where's Nyakalo xa kunje sana. But mfana wakhona shem hot.
Kawumeke sisika hot ne? Andikwazi ukuphezwa ntoni. Ndithe la mfana bendifunda naye kwaba. Ngicela ukucingela into ezininzi. Uyasithanda bazondadala umntana.
Hey, hayi mama khona shem ninga ningafanelana like engathi unesidima like uhloniphekile. Anyenze sithi nyani ketana mbali
umuntu ngene 1 minute endlini sombona isidima sombona
the way angakhona yabona yo jonga ndithe xa ngene eminyango xa ndisithi ndiphosilisho ndithi hayibo unyaka lubuyile na hayibo akunguye tusana kufana ngakhona amehlo hayi mama ningafanelana sana alamfana lo
wanjonga udeep ne deep andifuni noyingise yakho uthena ufuna ukuphinda na ndina umntu hayi stop mbali xa usedrink yakho
hayi ndaxelela
esendaba nomntana
Baby wami. Sithanda. Baby, bona ngiyavuma ngirome ne. Ngihlalise wedwa lana ngangabuyi. Ngiyaxolisa sithandwa sami. Uyathi ma uyahlala ngimhawu sithandwa sami. Ubhudo ngcolela. Baby. Sithandwa sami. Yini? Bafo. Msisi.
Hey bafo.
Yewena bafo. Ubuya wabona yomuntu velunga kabi wena. Bafo wami.
Ndonkathela wemthele bafo.
Msisi. Safani bafo.
Tala ngakubona bafo.
Indoda vale sengubitana nga baby ngiyacabanga uma ngena usi baby. Okahlala nemuntu uma ungena la.
Umuntu bengena ukhona bekaphuma bafo. Bekahambela
Yo,
umgaqeni ngale.
ngisengingeni ngisofikile.
Kodwa uma ngibingelele kuphela nose wadlulela kuphela.
Yo, bafo.
Kodwa naye bafo yenza kanjani into efana le nomuntu?
Bafo, yabona ukutshela iqiniso bafo wami. Bengasi info le bengiplanile ngabe. Yonke into ngiplane emakahle ngemumu bengibuya la. Just ngel second. Fona lomnye umuntu othi ufuna ukungibona yabona. Uyathi mina ngimuntu webantu bafo. So sigcina sispend up subonke nalomuntu. Bathi ngibuyile umuntu ongcolela ngibuyile.
Hayi so ningane abantu.
So wena usho bafo ubekwa yini la?
Eish bafo. Ngibona ngila. Ngihleke nyuka ngiyahamba left and right bafo wazi nakuhlangana ngibeka indaba zomsebenzi bafo. So ngisacela ukuthi ngifile into wami la kubuyilana.
Hayi khuleka bafo. Wena ngibafo wabafo khuleka bafo.
Impela bafo.
Hlala ngendlela ufuna ngayo la. Kini la wena wakithi wena.
Banyatsha.
Yatha sente njani? Dilungise wena nyalo usuthenga ibreakfast la. Ngukhombe nenzawo la le sunny side. Bala bakhona. Sidla, silenda, daki. What? Nana wathengisako uma usibona.
Usoqalile.
Hayi bafo ungamtshela usasaba bafo.
Uqalile bafo.
Usasaba la?
Hayi awungehle.
Hayi bafo.
Bafo.
Okay, dilungise utangikhanza ngaphandle ne.
Shosho bafo.
Hey, I'm a TK, always on the phone. My sister, expecting a call from a boyfriend or from a boyfriend's brother?
It's not fun always, okay? Those haven't I got really wrong. I mean, I regret sleeping with his brother. But I'm not gonna on the phone and he knows that I was waiting for him the whole night. But he didn't call. It's not fun, okay?
I don't know what you want me to say. When the Kakuza and his South Africa, and the brother called you.
No, he didn't. Mbalaga somehow the woods Muhawa and I knew that Muhawa doesn't love me. But I thought that she was jealous. But look at me, I'm stupid, ne?
Listen, my sister, don't cry. They will both pay about the deed to you. Allow me to meet with them.
How are they going to pay her? The problem is that you don't listen. You are just talking.
Just to say they raped you, or tell them that you both pay for what they did to you, or else you're going to open a case for them.
What?
I think about it.
Yes, Sissy. Yes, Sissy.
No, I'm thinking to go to my sister's place. You know, her condition is not well at all. 1 o'clock. You know, maybe maybe a month or even 2 months.
Sissy, yini ngosisi wakho uyagola?
Yeah.
Yabona sisi le ndaba ongitshela zona lezi ne yayizimbi kakhulu sisi wami kodwa hayi manje ngiyisupporta le ndaba oyikhuluma kole ngivuma nawe sisi yabona lo yasisi wakho loya vele uyakhoka sisi ngoba vele uyagula ne futhi sisi yabona lo mshana lo dala file la ekhaya phela ngiyacabanga ukuthi hayi vele sangikhumbulelo mama wakhe sisi wenza kahle wena.
No, yana akabamkhopotse but I don't think the way mama ya lengating akathabela go bona mama ya lebiao. So ke komshia lo wena.
Hey, ngibamene lapha sisi uyasiza ukuthi uthini lo. Uthi ufuna ukushiya nomshana wami ngisho uthile umntana wentombazana sila endlini sithu wena ungekho ukhambeni sisi.
Umtshana wakho unless unyaka re tsamaile yena.
Ke tsamaye ke ya kae? Andu unyaka go ntsamaisha.
A go tsamaisa ngwanaka. Wa skine because mama wa sharp. Ke tlo tsamaya go bona mama. E re ke phutha ne.
Malumi, ulela le auntie. Ulela le auntie tishi malumi.
Ngiyabonga ngane yami. Tsilo. Anshana wami awukhoshela. Umraro kuphi wena ngawe? Wangafuna ukubona yovakatshela ngisho mama wakho le ekhaya.
Mama wa ba lo ka tsela ba jong ka gona a ke tsebo re go fila beng ke mmona a ke tsebo go kote kwa beng he ke
ay ngane ngami bakhulumi kanjalo khululeka wena yabona mama wakho uzoba right ngane yami umama wakho uzoba right angizothi ngithini ngisabawozela ngane yami ungakhala mani ngane yami yabona wena ungahlala la isikhathi eside osifunayo futhi thina siyakuthanda kakhulu
ke go ra malu.
All right.
Hey.
Oh baby, hoza baby.
Wena konke into ngaki yakho?
Baby bengithi
Buthini? Kahle kana umuntu awuvanga inhloko yakho.
Baby.
Hayi mani yathina wena, iyathina.
Baby yini inkinga yakho ke no?
Udala ngimile phandle ngibukela sana ngiqalela ngendlela ethanda ngayo. Kanti into ngaki yakho buntu? Wayengasathi inkosi ngasimfuni.
Sangikhuzamela ngani? Ngathini kuwo wena? Baby, ngitshela ukuthi nentombazana leya ngukhazini wami asithi ngaso futhi kade akinayo umuntu ongithatha kanjani kuhle. Yazi ukuthi baby, okay, akulungile sithando sami ngisaba ungilalela. Ngikhulume kuhle ngathi mina nawe sazwana uthi le ntombazana le ngukhazini wami. Futhi manje siyala siba ngukhazini wami. Yini inkinga yakho baby wami?
Yabona lo khazinyana wakho lo ikhona nje into ephezukwayo andixolisi either uyakufuna or akafuni mina but khona nje into
Hey baby yabona manje ngizakushiya manje ukhazini wami uzongifuna kanjani futhi mama uthi wena akakufuni uzothi ukwenzelani konke lokho yabona baby jama kancane nangaba ngikholo ne jama la ngobiza usisi azokuchazela ukuthi ngubani lo muntu loyo futhi le cousin yami le nangabe uthi uhlala nami bazovuma ukuthi ngimqoshe la phambi kwakho or ngimbize ngocousin sabawucabanga ngayo isithando sami ngiyakubawa baby cabanga ngayo ukuthi bazovuma na.
It's fine but lo cousin wakho ayikhona nje into aphezukwayo.
Baby yabona thanda ngakwazi wena so baby ngizothi ngithi pregnant yazi
pregnant hayi emaphupheni akho soze let's time
jealous baby ngiyathanda baby ungaphinde ungiloyise mana sithando sami ngento engekho mama
but ndithanda cousin yakhe lapha mina
asala asami baby so wenza ukudla ngale kitchen nento yakho wena